Sukhumvit 11, which is one of the main roads where you're gonna find all the nightlife and restaurants and bars and rooftops all in the area. You're about, let's say about 100 meters from Nana Plaza train station, so straight ahead. And right next door, you have a bunch of restaurants. You got a burger joint, you got Soho Pizza, an Italian restaurant, steakhouse. Right across the street, you got Hillary 2, which is a cool bar that plays live music. And then Hillary 3 is right up a couple of stores up front. I don't know why they're so close, but. And then you have a pharmacy and 7-Eleven across the street over here. Some more Thai food restaurants over here. So this is kind of like one of the main streets that, you know, if you want to be close to everything and walking, then Sukhumvit 11 is definitely. And you have a 24-hour coffee joint right downstairs from the hotel. All right, so let's check in and check out the room and the property and whatever amenities they have. Check-in time is at 2 and checkout is at 12. However, the lady did honor an early check-in and the room will be ready by 12 since it's only 10:30 in the morning now. Nice little cafe downstairs, the lobby, really super cool. You got a little coffee shop right downstairs. Some complimentary water. They have some computers here that you can use in case, and so maybe get some work done. And so it was a nice, simple, quick check-in process. Now I did book this hotel via Agoda. They offer a meeting room. So if you want to have some kind of conference or a meeting, pretty cool. Presentation. All right, so we got booked room 217 and let's go check this out. This is your standard king room. Now I booked this on agoda.com. The rate was $73 for the night, and that does include a breakfast buffet in the morning, which is served from 6 to 10 a.m. You got your standing shower, you got some toiletries, you got some toothbrush, so if you don't have a toothbrush, they'll provide it for you. Some clean towels, some hand soap, hair dryer, and of course, the bum cleaner. Gotta have that. And you also have some body wash and shampoo, so bring your conditioner, ladies. You have a flashlight, some sandals, some hangers, complimentary coffee, 2 bottles of water. Most important, you're safe. You do have a refrigerator. Keep your beverages nice and cool. These beds are always a standard, that medium, firm, super comfortable. Nice room, looks very clean. Most important for me, cleanliness is like, you know, I can deal with a chip here and I can deal with, you know, maybe a broken chair and all that, but cleanliness is my key, you know, and that's most important to me. What's your most important thing? Leave a comment. Let me know what's your most important. And this particular room is facing the side street, so probably won't be as loud, but it's really close to ground level, so we're right there pretty much. So I'm assuming it might be loud, but won't bother me because I could sleep through anything. All right, you got your standard TV over here as well. I'm not sure if it has any, if it's a smart TV or not, but this is your standard king room, $73 a night. Great, perfect location, includes breakfast. So for the price, for the location, got a 2-hour early check-in. Room was ready early, so that was great. Let's check this one more time. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go check out. I'm not sure if there's a pool or not, but we're gonna find out. And on the 8th floor, we have a fitness center. Check that out. So we go upstairs to the roof. So you got a little fitness gym in here. Looks like it's locked. Oh. All right, so you got a little gym. Nothing fancy, but you got some stuff to get it done. Got some bench, dumbbells, 2 treadmills, elliptical, and a cycle. They offer complimentary. So at least, get a good cardio in the morning, get the day going. What's important is getting it in, no matter what. And not bad, you got a nice little view, a skyline over here. No pool, but there's a gym. All right, guys, there you have it. Great little property here on Sukhumvit Soi 11, prime location, Holiday Inn Express, $73 a night, breakfast included. I didn't enjoy the breakfast. I did sleep in late, took advantage of that late checkout they give you, which is 12 p.m. But they do offer an amazing breakfast, has great reviews. Guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification for future videos, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.